The Sedona Airport is a small airport that sits perched on Tabletop Mesa, 500 feet above the city of Sedona, in Arizona. Sedona Airport is a non-towered airport. It has one runway and one helipad. High elevation, rugged terrain, cliffs, and unique wind patterns presents pilots with simultaneous perils, making this one of the most challenging and scenic airports in the United States. Red Rock is a proud fuel dealer and handles fueling and other guest services. Today, we will be flying the Cessna 152 in strong wind conditions, and if all goes well, we will have a smooth landing at one of America's most scenic airports. In 1952, Ray Steele and Joe Moser started a project to create an airport in Sedona. Tabletop Mountain was the best candidate. Sedonans helped clear the fields of rocks while a road was bulldozed into the side of a mesa. After several years of backbreaking effort, a 3,700-foot dirt runway was created. On September 22, 1955, Ray Steele piloted the first aircraft to Oak Creek Airport. In 1957, a CAA grant paved the runway along with some aircraft parking space. The length of Sedona runway at present time is 5,122 feet long, with an elevation of 4,830 feet above mean sea level.